Good afternoon, students. We were reading the chapter from our Moments book, that is The Adventure of Tutu. So let's continue the remaining part. We have read about the monkey named Tutu, brought by the grandfather. Okay, Ruskin's the author of this chapter, Ruskin Bond's grandfather, bought an animal, that is monkey. Okay, so let's continue. Grandmother always first when grandfather brought home some new bird or animal. So it was decided that Toto's presence should be kept a secret from her until she was in a particularly good mood. Now here as we all know that the grandfather has a private zoo, but whenever he buys any animal or purchase any animal or brings home, okay, to his private zoo, the grandmother she never likes any animal. Okay, she becomes first means to get angry. Okay, so she first, whenever grandfather brought home some new animal or bird, so they decided, they means Ruskin Bond and the grandfather decided to keep Toto's present secret from the grandmother until she was in a pleasant mood. So grandfather and I put him away in a little closet opening into my bedroom wall, where he was tied securely, or so we thought, to a peg fastened into the wall. Now the grandfather and the Ruskin Bond decided to keep that animal Toto hide from her grandmother. So they decided to keep him away in a little closet. Closet means just like an almirah and cupboard type. Okay, so in the bedroom, in bedroom, my bedroom wall, where he was tied securely, so we thought, to a peg fasten. Peg means a hook. So they thought to tie that monkey Toto to a peg fastened into the wall. Okay, but few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, but few later they came back and they want to release the animal Toto. But what we found that the walls, which have been covered with some ornamental papers chosen by grandfather. Now what they find the ornamental paper means wallpaper. Okay, to decorate the walls. Okay, that's decorative wallpaper chosen by the grandfather. So now what happened, now stood out as a naked brick and plaster. So what happened when they go there and to release that Toto, but they find that the wallpaper was uncovered. Naked means uncovered, and the brick and the plaster of the wall was clearly विजिबल. ओके, तो टोटो क्या करता है, सारा जो वॉलपेपर होता है उसको वहाँ से डेकोरेटिव उसको हटा देता है. एंड द पैग इन द वॉल हैड बीन wrenched फ्रॉम इट्स सॉकेट. ओके, नाउ द wrench मीन्स पुल आउट. ओके, एंड द सॉकेट मीन्स अटैचमेंट. ओके, तो जहाँ पे वो जो पैग जो हुक जो था वहाँ पे जहाँ अटैच था वो भी बाहर निकल जाता है. एंड माई स्कूल ब्लेजर विच हैड बीन हैंगिंग देयर was in shreds. Now what happened, the Ruskin's Bond school blazer was hanging there, और उसको किस में चेंज कर देता है, was in shreds means बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में. ओके, pieces torn apart. ओके, shred means pieces. ओके, so torn apart, उसको फाड़ के छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में चेंज कन्वर्ट कर देता. who did this, किसने किया था ये सब कुछ, टोटो ने. ओके, so I wondered what grandmother would say. So what they thought कि अब grandmother क्या बोलेगी सब कुछ देखने के बाद में. definitely she becomes very angry जब वो सब कुछ ये देखेगी that all the decorative wallpapers were are removed. okay, so और जो उसका जो blazer था it was also convert into the, small pieces. okay, जिसको torn कर दिया गया था. but grandfather didn't worry. He seemed pleased with Toto's परफॉर्मेंस. ओके, उनको बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था दैट ये तो एनिमल है, ये चीज़ तो ऐसे करेगा. तो ही वॉज वेरी प्लीज आफ्टर सीइंग दिस ऑल टोटोज परफॉर्मेंस. ही इज़ क्लेवर सेड ग्रैंडफादर. तो व्हाट ग्रैंडफादर क्या बोलते हैं, डेट ही इज़ अ क्लेवर. ओके, बहुत ही स्मार्ट है. गिवन टाइम आई एम श्योर ही कुड हैव टाइड द टॉर्न पीसेज ऑफ योर ब्लेजर इन टू अ रोप. नाउ वो बोलता है हु सेड द ग्रैंडफादर दैट डेफिनेटली टोटो मेक अ रोप फ्रॉम द टॉर्न पीसेज ऑफ द ब्लेजर. ओके, वो रस्सी जो ब्लेजर जो होता है उससे रस्सी बनाता है. एंड मेड हिज एस्केप फ्रॉम विंडो. मेड इज एस्केप मीन्स एस्केप्ड, और वो वहाँ से विंडो से बाहर चला गया होगा. सो इट सीम द टोटो इज़ वेरी क्लेवर एनिमल एज अ monkey. We all know that the monkeys are very clever. So he make a rope from the pieces of the blazer so that he can escape from that Jew, from the house of the grandfather, and escape from the window. So we will continue the remaining chapter in the next video. Just you read the chapter carefully and underline the difficult words, okay, and write in the book itself. Okay.